Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe, hit on the notification bell so you can be updated with every new video I make. Give this video a like, share to your friends and family. Today I'll be showing you what I use to clear the dark spots on my inner thighs. So guys, today we're going to be making a natural bleaching agent for the private parts, for the inner thighs or underarms, armpit areas. We're going to be starting off with our potatoes. For this recipe, we'll be needing just half a potato. We're going to be grating half a potatoes. You can peel the back of the potatoes if you desire, but I like to use the back of the potato also because it's also very rich in antioxidants. Potato has natural bleaching ingredients. This can be used to lighten the dark parts of your skin. This can be used to lighten those acne, black spots on the skin. So after grating our potatoes, the potatoes, I have here one large size tomatoes. These tomatoes, it's already soft, so I'm just going to be mashing it. If you have the hard tomatoes, you can slice, then squeeze to get the juice out. For now, I'm just going to be mashing the tomatoes to get the juice out. So mash it very well and get all the juice out from the tomatoes. So after mashing, turn mixture I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of my honey into the mixture. Honey is filled with antioxidants, which is very good for the skin. It helps to soothe the skin. This mixture is very good for sensitive parts of the body. Tomatoes and potatoes are known to be they are natural bleachers. It helps to bleach those dark spots on those dark spots and blemishes on the skin, giving your skin that even skin tone. So this is very safe to use in the private area. Mix very well. So guys, after mixing, you turn this into your desired container. Please guys, always remember to sterilize your containers. Work with a very clean atmosphere. Yeah, because if you don't work in a very clean atmosphere, your creams or soaps or whatever recipes you make will always go bad. The colors may change or the smell can even change. This can be stored into the in the refrigerator. You could use this twice a day if desired. Apply this on the skin. Apply this directly on your skin. Apply this directly on your skin. Rub in circular motion. Apply this on your inner thighs. Rub in circular motion. Then you leave to sit for about 15 minutes. So apply that, so leave to sit for about 15 minutes in your private parts. You can also in your inner thighs, your private areas. This can also be applied in your armpits. Leave to sit for about 15 minutes, then wash it off. Try this at home and you'll be amazed the results you get. Thanks guys for watching.
Purebliss so natural, everything cool and it day natural. Make your body fine and glow natural. Purebliss very nice and so natural.